My next guest says this Apple event is all about the Mac and how it will drive revenue at the company. Joining me now is Gene Munster. He's a managing partner at Loop. Return of the Mac, Gene.
Right on, Kelly. Today was all about Apple flexing that tech muscle, reminding people that the Mac is absolutely back. These M1 Pro and M1X chips go into the highest end MacBook Pros. These are expensive machines, as Josh just enumerated. But there is an insight beyond just showing that they've got this beast-like performance that Josh mentioned. There's an insight beyond that, which is that this technology that they start with the highest end, of course, makes its way into the broader Mac family over time. And I think that that is really important, that Apple keeps that sharp edge. They're not taking anything for granted, as the work and learn from anywhere theme is going to continue to play out, I think, for 1, 2, 3, 5 years down the road. So the Mac is back, as you said, and I think they're giving people some optimism around what the product performance is going to look like over the next few years.
Yeah, I wish we could play the song, but tell me why you think the shares popped here, Gene.
I think it's just understanding that the Mac business, which has historically been a flat business, if we go before the pandemic, for years, it would be up a few percent, down a few percent. And let's take away the last year and a half and consider that spike unsustainable. But I think shares move higher because investors are getting some increased confidence that next year could be an up year for the Mac. Of course, huge comps that they're going to be facing. But my belief is that the Mac business can grow at close to 10%. Most investors think it's going to be flattish. And so I'm more optimistic, but continue to take confidence from what's going on with this accelerating digital transformation that we talked about, the work and learn from anywhere.
Yeah.
So I think that that plays into the stock moving higher.
What's going on with AirPods? I mean, they are announcing a lot of innovation. The Journal had rumored that they would involve things, as I adjust my posture here, about sitting up straight and, you know, different health features that we currently associate with the watch and with your phone. Did we get that today? How significant are these breakthroughs?
So what we got was an entry-level AirPods. It's going to have some different spatial audio, a slightly different design, but it does, and the price did go up by 13%. I think that is a notable. They're going to sell as many of these as they can make for the holiday. I think it's a sign that Apple has pricing leverage and that consumers benefit from that increased utility. But I want to get to the substance of your comment about where these products can go longer term. I think AirPods, the ear, is a huge opportunity. If you take when it comes to health and wellness and tech, I guess I have to rewind to my 5th grade biology course and remember that the ear is a great place. It has a little bit of thinner membrane in it, which creates an opportunity to take blood pressure, potentially your temperature. There's other things that they can gather, information they can gather. That's what the Wall Street Journal was hinting to. These are patents that Apple has filed for years around that use case. And so whether it's those health markers, whether it's as simple as posture, it's a great example of taking an entry point around music and really expand it into what is a hearables category. And I think that there's still a lot more that they can do around AirPod in the years to come.
And boy, have they expanded it. And $200 price target still gives plenty of room for growth there. Gene, thanks for joining me with your thoughts on this event today. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Gene Munster is with Loop.